Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to turn off background apps on PC. Background apps can use your PC's memory, processor, battery, and internet connection even when you're not actively using them. Turning off unnecessary background apps can help improve performance and reduce resource usage. The exact settings may vary depending on your version of Windows. To begin, turn on your Windows PC and sign in. Open the Settings app, then click Apps. Select Installed Apps or Apps and Features, depending on your Windows version. Find the app you want to stop from running in the background. Click the three-dot menu next to the app and select Advanced Options if available. Scroll down to the Background App Permissions section. Open the drop-down menu under Let this app run in the background. Select Never to prevent the app from running in the background. Repeat these steps for any other apps you want to restrict. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Review the Processes tab. And end unnecessary apps that are currently running if needed. Restart your computer to help apply the changes. Check your PC's performance to confirm that unnecessary background apps are no longer running. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.